Hey guys, it's Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. As festive season is just around the corner, there are so many festive sale offers on various websites. So I thought this was the best time to splurge some money and get some good quality products. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys whatever I bought during the Nykaa festive sale. Sale is the best time to splurge your money because you get amazing products at a lower price. I have been eyeing this since a long time because so many bloggers were raving about this. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. I needed a heat protectant for my hair, and that is when I saw this. This recently launched for $4.99 and on sale you can get it for $4.74 or even less than that. So I thought I should get this. It is a glass jar packaging and I love how luxurious it looks. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells incredible. First impression is that it's not weighing my hair down. My hair is still pretty voluminous. I love its smell. It smells amazing. Once I use it for about a month, you will get to know my views about it. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as I post most of my product reviews on my Instagram page. So do follow me there. And I'm gonna repurchase it just for its amazing fragrance. Next product that I bought is the Nykaa Carrot Seed Cold Pressed Oil. I wanted to try carrot seed oil since a long time because carrot seed oil helps with pigmentation and I have some pigmentation issues. Before making this video, I have tried it for a week and it moisturizes the skin well. It comes sealed in a cap like this. Then we have to remove the cap and put the dropper inside. I've been using it and I'm loving it. It's 100% pure. I cannot comment on the pigmentation part yet, whether it helps with pigmentation or not, because I have not used it for that long. Let's see if it works for pigmentation or not. You can use it on your hair as well. That is one added benefit. It's light orange in color. It has a kind of sweet and sour smell. Next essential oil that I bought was tea tree essential oil. I bought this so that I can use it as an overnight treatment for acne. Tea tree essential oil is not supposed to be used directly on the skin. You have to first dilute it with some oil. How I am using it is I got a pretty big zit here. I took one drop of tea tree essential oil and diluted it with coconut oil. Used a cotton ball to apply it on my pimple. By the next morning, I noticed a change in my pimple. It reduced the inflammation and redness to a great extent. Your pimple won't disappear completely. It will just help calming the pimple and reducing the inflammation and redness. That's it. The next product that I bought is Nykaa Skin Genius BB Cream with SPF 30. This is in the shade Soft Beige and it has SPF 30. This does not provide a lot of coverage. As it is a BB cream, you cannot expect it to provide full or medium coverage. It only provides a tad bit of coverage. If you want high coverage, then you should definitely use Pond's BB cream. Out of all the BB creams that I have tried, Pond's BB cream has the most amount of coverage. Plus it has sun protection too, and I love the consistency of that one more. And the worst BB cream that I've tried is from Maybelline. When I bought it for the first time, I could see some black water coming out of the tube. Plus it gives the skin a grayish look. So I don't like that BB cream at all. This is the worst BB cream out there. When the product comes out, before the product comes out, you can see this black liquid water comes out before the product. I don't know what the hell is this. It smells so weird. This is pretty good. I am in the shade Soft Beige. If you want your natural skin to pop out, then this is a good BB cream. But if you want more coverage, then you should definitely go for the Pond's BB cream. The next thing that I bought is this Calabar Sinful Matte Lip Color in the shade Wild Night. I love the shade. Talking about this lipstick, as I've already talked a lot about this lipstick, the packaging is so luxurious. Lipstick itself is so comfortable. It feels like feather on the lips. It's creamy but still completely matte. It can be a very close dupe for Huda Beauty Powder Bullet lipsticks. It feels very comfortable, just like Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipsticks. It's very difficult to find completely matte bullet lipsticks which are also comfortable to wear. The another shade that I have from the same lipstick is Calabar Triple X. This looks so beautiful. It's a stunning brown color in the shade Triple X. I love this lipstick. The packaging, the texture, everything is so on point. I love this collection of Calabar. That's pretty much what I bought during the Nykaa festive sale. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more fashion and beauty related stuff. I post outfit pictures, nail paint swatches, lipstick swatches there. Thanks for watching. Bye.